The tale of electronics begins in the late 19th century with the invention of the first practical electrical device, the telegraph. This invention, the brainchild of Samuel Morse in the 1830s, marked the birth of electronic communication. It was a time when messages that would take weeks to deliver could suddenly travel across continents in mere minutes. Fast forward to the 1880s and enter the era of Thomas Edison and his incandescent light bulb. This invention not only lit up homes, but also sparked the initiation of power stations and electricity grids, setting the foundation for the modern electronic age. The early 20th century saw the invention of the radio and the television, forever altering the way people receive information and entertainment. These inventions brought the world closer, transforming it into a global village. The mid-20th century witnessed the advent of the digital age with the introduction of computers. The first electronic computers, though massive in size, were significantly less powerful than today's most basic calculators. However, they marked the beginning of an era where complex calculations could be done in fractions of a second, revolutionizing industries from science to finance. The dawn of the 21st century heralded the era of smartphones and the internet. These marvels of electronics have redefined communication, making it instant and borderless. Today, you can video call someone on the other side of the planet or access any information with just a few taps on a screen. Now, imagine a world without these electronic wonders. No instant communication, no immediate access to information, no digital entertainment. It's almost unthinkable, isn't it? That's how interwoven electronics have become in the fabric of daily life. Now, cast your gaze into the future. Electronics holds a promise of limitless possibilities. Artificial intelligence, powered by sophisticated electronic systems, is already making strides in various fields. From self-driving cars to voice-activated virtual assistants, AI is changing the face of technology. In the medical field, electronics promise breakthroughs in telemedicine, remote surgeries, and personalized healthcare. In the realm of renewable energy, electronic devices are at the forefront, making solar and wind energy more efficient and accessible. In conclusion, electronics have come a long way since the telegraph. They have transformed lives, shrunk the world, and accelerated the pace of progress. Today, electronics are not just a convenience, but a necessity, indispensable in day-to-day life. As we step into the future, they hold the potential to push the boundaries of what is possible, promising an exciting, tech-driven future.